Hello guys and welcome to this channel ProgrammingFever, and in this video I will show you how you can install Matplotlib latest version 3.8.4. So first install Python latest version, that is Python 3.12.2. So as you can see here the latest version, click on this button and you can see it is successfully downloaded. Now I will click on this setup icon button and I will install the Python setup, and don't forget to add this path, otherwise your Python will not work in your system. And then click on this install now button. Now wait for a few minutes to install this in your system. So as you can see it is successfully installed. Now I will show you how to install Matplotlib, but before that try to import Matplotlib in the IDLE. So I will open IDLE latest version here and then I will import Matplotlib. So as you can see it says no module name Matplotlib. Now I will install Matplotlib latest version. So now open command prompt and then write command pip install matplotlib. So this command will automatically grab the latest version of the Python and install in your system. So as you can see here it is downloading Matplotlib 3.8.4, and here also you can see what is the latest version. On 4th April 2024 it's 3.8.4. So as you can see here it is successfully installed. Now I will try again to import Matplotlib. So I will write command again matplotlib, and now you can see it is successfully imported. So in this way you can install Matplotlib latest version in your system. So if you like this video then hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe this channel. Thanks for watching.